Hey guys, so this is the Pixel 7a in all new sea blue color finish and it is coming with some fantastic specifications. You guys can see in these images coming in from Facebook, the Pixel 7a looks classy, got matte frosty finish on the rear with a Cyclops style module containing dual cameras. The setup contains a 64 megapixel main and 12 megapixel super wide which can shoot some fantastic day and night images. Front is still flat 6.1-inch Full HD plus OLED panel but a smooth course of 90Hz high refresh rate. So it's gonna give a smooth experience plus a decent battery life. The best part is it is powered with flagship grade Tensor G2 silicon which is powerful, is power efficient, is secure and works flawless on my Pixel 7 Pro, so I expect same for the 7a as well.
Our next generation chip includes a dedicated TPU, so we can bring Google's state-of-the-art AI and personal intelligence directly to the phone. And the entire Tensor G2 chip has been designed to ensure every major subsystem works really well together to handle the complex, nuanced nature of Google's most innovative software and ML capabilities.
The icing on cake is 8 gigs of LPDDR5 RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. This is the first time a Pixel A series phone will rock wireless charging, so a nice initiative. Finally, there is 20 watts slow charging to charge 4400 mAh battery, and I like how even the budget Pixel 7a will be offered with same best software experience, which is something you won't find in any mid-end device. The Pixel 7a is coming in 4 exciting color finishes starting $499 with the launch set for next month. Google may even showcase Pixel Tablet, Pixel Fold and may tease the Pixel 8 series as well. This is your first live look at the Pixel Fold coming in with Tensor G2 Silicon, 12 gigs of RAM and a 7.6-inch inner large display with 5.8-inch squarish front panel. The leak side is gonna cost $1799 or base 256 gigs variant, which is very expensive in my opinion, but Pixel UI is gonna look great on a folding phone. This is all guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.